Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're anything like me, you know how exhausting it can be to keep up with social media. Between brainstorming ideas, editing videos, designing posts, and trying to stay consistent across multiple platforms, it can feel like a full-time job on top of everything else you're already doing. And missing just a few days can cause your engagement to drop fast. That's why I started looking for something that could help lighten the workload without sacrificing quality, and that's when I came across ViralGenius. This tool honestly surprised me. It's an AI-powered content machine that can turn almost anything your ideas, scripts, blogs, ebooks, links, even audio recordings into viral-ready content in seconds. I'm talking videos, memes, images, captions, carousels, all created instantly and matched to your brand style. In this video, let me show you step-by-step demo how ViralGenius works. With ViralGenius, you can generate videos, memes, quotes, captions in multiple languages that allows you to tap into global audience and grow your business worldwide without any language barrier. You can turn any content into scroll-stopping viral social media posts, videos, and captions that lets you dominate TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and every social media platform.
Welcome to your new Content Command Center, ViralGenius. Getting started is instant. Just enter your email, create a password, and click Sign In. And just like that, you land here, your mission control. This is your main dashboard, your Content HQ. Every tool you need is neatly organized in this left-hand menu, but the real power comes from connecting your entire content universe. Just scroll down to sync your accounts. We're talking about all your social platforms, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, and even your publishing hubs like WordPress, Medium, and Tumblr. It's your entire workflow, unified, all right here. Connecting your accounts is incredibly simple. Just hit this Connect button and click on Connect Profiles. Choose your platform. Let's start with Facebook. Click Connect. Authorize the link. And you're done.
Toggle this button to connect them successfully. There you go.
You can quickly repeat this for LinkedIn.
Let's just sign into this.
Type in your password and click Sign In.
And now click Allow. We can also connect Pinterest and give access.
We support a massive range of platforms, from emerging networks like Mastodon to team hubs like Slack.
Let's connect Slack real quick. It's very easy. Just click Allow. Now enable the channels and proceed to connect.
And if you're on the dashboard and want to add another account, no problem. You can connect from right here too. Let's add Instagram, for example.
Just make sure your Instagram is a business account to unlock all features. Then select its linked Facebook page.
Confirm the account.
And enable. With one click, it's connected successfully and seamlessly integrated.
As you connect each one, watch this number grow. This is your connected profiles count, your live tally of everything you're managing from this single powerful dashboard.
While you're here on the dashboard, remember you can connect even more platforms at any time. Beyond social networks, you can integrate your blogs like WordPress, Medium, and Tumblr to truly unify your entire online presence.
Now, what happens after you post? That's where the social inbox comes in. This is your unified command center for every comment and direct message. Engaging is simple. Just select the account, view the comment, and type your response right here.
Going to the account, you can see that it replies directly.
It's also the same for Instagram.
Perfect. But let's talk about working smarter, not harder. That's where automations come in. Let's set one up. Select your profile.
Give it a clear name so you can easily identify it later. Then, set the public comment. Let's set CTA as the type. And now, select the specific post you want to attach this automation to.
Now add the keyword, reply message, CTA button title, and the CTA link.
And save. Click All Automations to see your growing library of time-saving tools. And watch it work. The system just automatically sent a DM without you lifting a finger. Now auto-replies handle common queries 24/7.
And here it automatically replies to private DMs, instantly sending them your product catalog. Perfect for capturing interested customers around the clock.
And for personal touches, your main inbox is still right here. Jump into any DM and reply directly.
You can even attack a product message and link, including an image link.
It's total engagement control, all from one screen. Finally, let's convert your audience. It all starts by clicking into ad creation. Tell the AI your niche. If you have a website, just tick this box and paste your link. This gives the AI context to create hyper-relevant ads for your brand.
Now pick your specific area of interest.
The more specific, the better. Then click Generate. In seconds, it crafts compelling ad copy and generates a custom banner image. No more blank screens or design struggles. Your entire creative asset is ready to go. Just download and launch your campaign.
And this is where the real magic happens. Meet your AI manager. Think of it as your personal content creator and strategist. It's simple. First, pick your niche to set the strategic direction. Then, type in your specific prompts. The more detail, the better the results. Next, choose all the connected social platforms you want this post to go to. Now, take control of the timing. Set a start and end time, and even define its recurrence, whether it's a one-off or a repeating campaign. It generates the post for you. Once you save it, you can see all your scheduled posts laid out perfectly right here in the Calendar tab. Then, you can relax. Just keep an eye on your email. You'll get a smart notification 2 hours before the post goes live, giving you a chance to preview the image or video the AI has generated, and, crucially, gives you a final check by notifying you 2 hours before anything goes live. Your only job is to give it the final green light and make any final tweaks before the final upload. Now let's dive into the engine room, advanced tools. This is where we pack some of our most powerful features designed to save you hours of manual work. First up, let's look at transcribed video. Start by clicking this upload button.
Now, type in the file name.
Select your video file from your computer, watch as it uploads, and once it's processed, click this edit button to take control. First, pick the language you want it transcribed to, click generate. The AI gets to work instantly, and there you go. Transcription complete. You can fully customize everything. Browse through different templates, style your subtitles, change the text color, make it perfectly on brand. Want an intro? Jump to the Intro tab to add your own images and customize it even further. It's a full video editing suite powered by AI. Next, let's extract text from anywhere with image to text. Got a link to an image online? Just paste it here, and our AI will automatically scrape the text right out of it. In seconds, you have the extracted text. You can download it as a file, copy it to your clipboard, or share it directly. But that's not all. You can also scrape text directly from your camera, from a PDF document, or simply by uploading an image file from your computer. It's the ultimate tool for digitizing text instantly. Next, let's unlock the power of your audio content with transcribed audio. The process is just as seamless. Click here to upload your file. Give your project a name and select the audio's language. Upload your file, and that's it. You'll get an email notification as soon as the transcription is ready. When it is, just click this eye icon to view it. But we go far beyond plain text. With one click, you can extract an AI-powered summary, identify key points, list out action items, and even get a sentiment analysis. Clicking on any result, like the sentiment score, lets you copy, use the text directly, or download a full PDF report. It's like having a dedicated analyst for every conversation or podcast. Now, let's bring your audio to life with audio to video. Start by creating a new project. First, set the vibe by selecting a dynamic transition style. Then, choose your background type. You can use a video, a high-quality image, or even an animated GIF.
You also have the option to upload and use your own custom image for complete branding control. Now, simply upload your audio file. Once you hit process, you'll get a notification when your video is ready. And just like that, your new video is created. From here, you can share this brand new piece of content directly to any of your connected social media platforms without ever leaving the app.
Now we're in the content repurposing tool. This allows you to instantly adapt your video content for a global audience. Let's take a single video and transform it. Click here to upload your file and select it from your computer. And just like that, it's in. The AI immediately gets to work analyzing and repurposing your content. It automatically generates a full transcription and even pulls out the key highlights for you. But here's the real game changer. See this language option? You can transform the entire video into any language. Choose your target language, select your ideal AI voice, and click Start Dub. Watch as the status changes to completed, and after a quick reload, your video has been perfectly recreated in a completely new language. It's like having an international studio right at your fingertips. Now prepare to be amazed. With AI video generation, you can create complete videos from a single sentence. Just select the feature, click here to add your text prompt describing the image, and click Generate. Watch as it processes your idea, and in seconds, the status flips to completed. And there it is, a completely original video generated from a single sentence. You can use this for captivating faceless content. Instantly download your creation, and as we saw earlier, even dub it into any language you choose. This is the future of content creation, ready for you right now.
And now, for what might be our most powerful feature yet, Brand DNA. This is your brand's new autopilot. Click into the feature, simply type in your site, define your primary goal, set a campaign duration, and choose your posting frequency. The AI will analyze it to generate a complete metadata profile that helps you grow and sell. Then click Generate Ideas to preview the content strategy before the AI builds your entire campaign. Watch as it processes, and in moments, your campaign is ready. Scroll down, and you'll see an entire month of content, perfectly tailored to your goal. You can edit any post, add more words, or change the connected accounts. You could publish directly from here, but the best part? There's zero stress. Every post is already perfectly scheduled for you. Head over to Run DNA Posts, and you can see it all laid out. Because of your earlier settings, the AI has scheduled these posts for a full month. From here, you have total control. Edit, publish immediately, delete, or even add more accounts. It's a fully automated content machine built from your brand DNA.
Struggling with what to post? Let the world's trends decide for you. Head over to the Trends tab, where you have trends and hashtags at your fingertips. Click on Trends, select your target region and specific areas of interest, and get a curated list of what's trending right now. Now, here's the magic. Click on any trending topic, and based on the data, you can instantly generate either an AI video or a faceless video. Let's go for a faceless video. Just type in the prompt and click Generate. Just like that, you have a brand new, relevant video ready to go. You can share it directly to your social media or download it for later. While sharing it, you can toggle this button to select All Account. Write down your post, and that's it. It's your personal content engine powered by the pulse of the internet.
From your dashboard, just click Compose, then Social Media. This page brings all your connected accounts together. You can post to each one individually, or with one click of this toggle, select all of them at once. Now, type your post caption just once. It'll go out to every platform. For the visual, you can upload from your computer, or better yet, generate a unique image instantly with our AI. Just type a prompt and click Generate Image, and in seconds, it's ready. Click to attach it. Now you have the power. You can send this post now, save it as a draft, or schedule it for the perfect time. Let's post it now to all socials. Add a campaign title for tracking and click Publish. And there it is. Success. The post has been sent to every platform you selected. But let's not just take our word for it. Let's go confirm. On Facebook, it's there. On Instagram, live. The same post is also on Slack, Discord, Mastodon, and LinkedIn. And just like you post it to all your social media at once, you can do the exact same thing with your blogs. Compose your article once, then schedule or publish it to all your connected platforms like WordPress, Medium, and Tumblr simultaneously. Once you're done writing, just click Publish, give it a title, and confirm. That's it. Your ideas are now live across the entire web without the repetitive work. One click, one post, everywhere. That's the power of ViralGenius.